Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the 13th. It is a Tuesday and we're just now starting Krystals Kitchen, cooking for the week. Yesterday, I don't know what got into me, but I was like, I do not feel like cooking. So we did some DoorDash. Tonight, we're actually doing our once a month like married couples group at our church that we do. And the theme tonight is Mexican food. So I've basically been on TikTok and I have decided that I'm going to attempt to make a chicken tortilla soup. Never made it before, so fingers crossed that it turns out well. Anyway, so I have got 6 thighs here. Now let me preface this by saying this is like 20 or 30 different videos compiled. So it's not from one particular person. I just like to go through the recipes and pick and choose what I, one, have on hand, two, would be like super easy. That's my biggest thing. If it's got 100 different steps, I don't want to do it because I don't like doing all of the extras. Enough rambling, let's get to cooking. So here goes my 6 thawed out chicken breasts. I'm just gonna throw them in the pan. This is how they did it with the Dutch oven. So I'm just gonna do it the same way. Throw those in there. They've already been washed. I'm going with salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a smidge of my steak seasoning because why not? Some paprika, minced onion, cumin. One recipe said chili powder, just a little bit. That was the only video that said that, so I'm gonna go with it just because. And I almost forgot, I'm gonna throw in a drizzle of olive oil to cook the chicken in. My chicken is all the way like done. Go ahead and pull it off the stove. Now, you see all this in the bottom? That's seasoning, okay? That's flavor. We're not gonna do anything with that right now. We're gonna leave it like it is. Throw in bell pepper, onions. I've got these on like super low right now. So I'm just gonna cook them until they are translucent. Also, here's the chicken. Yum, smells delicious. I forgot to record this, but I did mince up about 6 cloves of garlic. This is what it's looking like so far. My eyes are burning, by the way. Drained corn, 2nd can of drained corn, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of kidney beans, 2 cans diced tomatoes. So now that everything is mixed in here, I'm gonna go ahead and add the exact same seasonings that I added earlier to the chicken. I would add cumin, but I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 packs of the taco seasoning instead. Okay, so while my soup and everything is cooking together, I'm gonna go ahead and shred up the chicken. So I'm gonna put it in my crock pot. This is like the easiest way for me to do this, is to put it in the crock pot and use my mixer and cover like this so it doesn't make a mess. Here is what the soup is looking like right now. I'm about to add the chicken in. It's been boiling for, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 maybe. Okay, here's my chicken all shredded. Time to throw in cream cheese. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. All right, there we go. Finished product. This is a pretty good sized pan. I wonder how much is gonna come home with me. Hey y'all, what's up? Today is the 14th. It's a Wednesday. I'm about to get some dinner started. Ta-da! I'm gonna make the boys a pizza and I'm gonna have leftover. I'm actually not feeling the best. I'm a lot better today than I was yesterday. So I'm really not feeling something super, super heavy. But anyways, I don't know what the girls are gonna have. They're like in their rooms or something right now. But enough rambling, let's get to cooking. So I just got the pizzas in the oven. LEK, she's like painting her nails or something, but I have some leftover chicken, shredded chicken. Whenever I order tortilla soup from the Mexican restaurant, I don't like the chicken in the soup. I want just like the vegetables and broth, so I always get this on the side, but I take it home because she likes the meat to be used in a quesadilla. Sometimes I'll use the chicken to make like a chicken salad sandwich situation. Anyway, so I try to not let things go to waste too much, but tonight this chicken will be used for a chicken quesadilla. While I have the energy to do all these little bits, I'm gonna go ahead and get my son's lunch ready for tomorrow. We have some Hawaiian rolls. We've got ham, turkey, pepperoni, and cheddar cheese. So I'm going to make him some like little sliders. There's 12 in here, I think. So I'm probably only going to give him like half of it, and then the other half will go to the girls for their lunches. Now we've only got 2 slices of ham, so the majority will be turkey. Okay, we'll check into it.
Yeah,
Selection.
They're not baggy, but they're not skinny.
Who the hell are you? Oh. Quest, I need to pick it up on the stairs. So what? You don't have to be.
Papa John's the way I cut this pizza so bad.
This is the bullpen here. That's the door side. No. I'm
6 sliders for Gavin, 3 for each of the girls. Dinner for the girls, dinner for the guys. Hey y'all, what's up? Today is the 15th. I have been out for the majority of the afternoon and I just really didn't want to cook anything, so I picked up a box of fried chicken from Publix and I threw some french fries in the air fryer. Oh, and then also got a rotisserie chicken because I thought that that's what I was gonna have, but then I changed my mind and decided to go for another bowl of soup that I made the other day because it's delicious. So that is dinner tonight for Thursday.